Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Today, I'm going to explain the different types of OSPF LSAs. First, we have the router LSA, or Type 1. This is generated by every router and contains information about the router's interfaces and their states. It's flooded within a single OSPF area and doesn't cross area border routers, or ABRs. Next is the network LSA, or Type 2. This is generated by the designated router on a multi-access network segment. It describes all the routers attached to that segment and is also flooded within the area without crossing ABRs. Then, there's the summary LSA, or Type 3. This type is generated by ABRs and is used to advertise networks from one area to another, facilitating inter-area routing by summarizing routes. Following that is the summary ASBR LSA, or Type 4. ABRs generate this LSA to advertise the presence of an autonomous system boundary router, or ASBR, to other areas, providing information about the location of ASBRs within the OSPF domain. The autonomous system external LSA, or Type 5, is generated by ASBRs. It's used to advertise external routes that are imported into the OSPF domain and is flooded throughout the entire OSPF domain, except in stub areas. There's also the multicast OSPF LSA, or Type 6. This LSA is designed for multicast routing but isn't widely used and isn't supported by all vendors. The NSSA external LSA, or Type 7, is used in not-so-stubby areas, or NSSAs. It allows external routes to be advertised within an NSSA and is converted to Type 5 LSAs by ABRs when leaving the NSSA. For external attributes LSA, or Type 8, in OSPF v2, it's used for carrying BGP attributes, while in OSPF v3, it's used as a link local LSA to carry IPv6 information. The link scope opaque LSA, or Type 9, is used to carry information specific to a single link, often for traffic engineering and other extensions. Area scope opaque LSA, or Type 10, carries information specific to an OSPF area and supports various extensions within that area. Finally, the AS scope opaque LSA, or Type 11, is used to carry information across the entire OSPF autonomous system, supporting extensions that need to be propagated throughout the OSPF domain. And that's a summary of the different OSPF LSAs. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.